Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to find videos on YouTube without copyright. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for youtube.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Now start searching for the topic you prefer. I will simply search for funny clips and give it a go. Here, click on this filter button and then select Creative Commons. This will filter out all of the content that is free to use. Now, if I play this video, you can see that the Creative Commons free to use tag is present here. Every video that is tagged as Creative Commons is the content that is copyright free and you can use it by attributing the author. So that's basically how you can find videos on YouTube without copyright. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.